So how exactly we are going to install it? I have already installed Fedora, but I'm gonna show you the new one. Okay, so first of all, when you open your VirtualBox, it will be like this, or your VMware also, you can refer the same. You'll be having a new option or create a new virtual machine, whatever it is. So I am just clicking on the new. Then here you have to give the name, let's say Fedora OS. Okay, here you don't have to do anything, just select by default whatever it is, the next 64-bit, and click on continue. Okay, accordingly you can give your RAM and CPU. So I'm just giving it around 2048 MB RAM, that is 2 gigs, and continue. It is not going to ask for CPU. By default it will take 1 core, and in this list you can select the by default whatever it is. Okay, now click on create. Here also the first option will be fine, VDI, and the continue. Here default also dynamic allocation, and here you don't have to change. This is your hard disk, so I'm gonna use around, let's say, 20 GB. So around 20 GB, fine. You can use 25-30 accordingly, जितनी आपकी श्रद्धा है. Okay, now click on create, sort it. When it got created, you can check here kind of things, but you just have to click on start by selecting that. When you click on start, what you have to do is you have to choose your ISO file from here. So just click here and click here on the add button. Okay, then go to the location where you have and click on this ISO file. Open. You can watch this video again and again, and I'm selecting this image. Okay, now just clicking on start button. So here you will be getting two options. Let me maximize it. You're getting two options. The first is start Fedora live. Okay, let me take it. What is live? Okay, the second option is test this media and start Fedora workstation live 32. Okay, so these days, even from past also, almost any Linux based operating system, that means any Linux based operating system, we can use live. Live का मतलब है without installation. Okay, and the second is installation. That means you can install it directly, or you can use live. Okay, almost any, right? Means any को almost any बोल देता हूँ, सब नहीं, maximum है, but right. So live means you don't want to install, you just want to try. ये बिल्कुल ऐसा है, वो घड़ी डिटर्जेंट का ऐड आता है ना, पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें, पहले इस्तेमाल करें फिर विश्वास करें, राइट, ऐसा कुछ. तो ये घड़ी डिटर्जेंट है, राइट, एंड दिस इज persistent, right. Live में drawback क्या है? If you make any changes in the operating system, let's say you install some software, you create some file, when you shut down your OS, everything will be deleted. Okay, but in installation it will be permanent. So again I'm going to my Fedora. So always select the second option. Test this media means it is going to test your CD or your ISO image, either it is corrupted or good, right, and hit on enter. So this will take some time, but it will check the ISO image. Okay, I'm just going to make it a smaller one. So it is taking some time, but it will check it. See, it is checking the ISO. right? So this percentage, you can skip button, you can press skip button to just skip it, but it will be good if you can test it, because it is going to test your validity of ISO file. It's okay, the media is all set. Now you just go with the flow. All right, see, so this is something your Fedora machine is booting. Don't worry about if some failure message is there, just go with the flow. All right, so anyway, I'm just waiting for my display manager to come up. So once it will be coming up, it is live, and then we have to install it. Okay, so that installation steps I'm gonna share. It's very easy although to install Fedora in your VirtualBox or VMware. See, this is the first screen. Here we are getting try Fedora or install to hard disk. Alright, so I'm gonna use the second option, because try Fedora means it is gonna be live, and here second. Okay, I'll just click on install in hard disk. It will take some time to figure out few things, right? And just wait for it. Okay, see, now you can see here the install to this is there. You can select your language. Please do not select Hindi, मतलब आप भारतीय हैं तो थोड़ा ऐसे माहौल में मत आ जाना. And Hindi, English, whatever you want. I'm just doing this and click on continue. Okay, the most important point is installation destination. If you're not watching this video right now, you have to watch it again. Okay, so I'm just clicking on automatic partition selection mechanism. You don't have to select this partition automatic method. Just click on custom. Okay, everybody, you just listen that point, you don't have to do it automatically. Just click on custom and just click on done. Once you click on custom and done, you'll be having this screen. Okay, so you need to create some partitions here. The first, you have to click on plus button and you have to take boot partition, not more than 500 MB. So /boot 500 MB. We'll be discussing about this in near future, what is /boot and what is all this. Okay, so this got created. Now we have around, oh my god, I have 20 MB. Okay, you know that. And then select your slash, rest around your 19 GB, whatever you have, you can just give it. By mistakenly I selected this 25 MB, but nothing to worry about. Just select, let's say 15 GB. Okay, so simply we have all this. After creation of these two partitions, just click on done. Okay, once you click on done, rest there is no question, or whatever it is, the username and time, you can just take it, right? It's gonna take 25 to 30 minutes for you, but it will install it. So only the main part is this: create /boot and create slash. So you have to give maximum storage to slash this one. Let's say if you have 25 GB, so you can write 25 G. Okay, I don't have as of now, but I'm just using it. Okay, so simply you don't have to give all the storage for this. I'm selecting in VirtualBox again. Now once you use this setting, so let's say if you have 30 GB hard disk, 30 GB, so 500 MB you have to give to /boot and 25 GB you have to give to slash. Rest 5 GB you can leave as it is. We'll be using that storage in near future, so you just leave as it is. So this is some kind of configuration that you can take, and I hope you will be doing your installation by your own. So it's not a big problem. I just selected wrong storage, okay, and I'm just terminating it. Okay, so this is the only step that I wanted to discuss, and that's it. All right, so I'm expecting very much same that yes, we all will be doing the installation of Fedora, so that we can learn things practically. Okay, so if everything fine or all good, you can just say okay, fine or cool in the YouTube chat, and that's it for today.